bro.
What up, George?
What we doing with this meta crap here?
I'm not touching meta. I can tell you
Uh,
that.
Hey
And
Nick, I'm not gonna lie to you. MU is not looking too
I've
bad.
seen so many of you talk about MU, and told myself I'd stay away from these stocks, and here I
Frank,
am.
yeah, I was literally about to write an idea for that. Like I'm in the middle of typing it out right now.
No, it looks
You guys
nice,
just
bro.
the 130 inverse H does look really good.
Yeah, I actually like this. Write it out,
The hell?
Keith.
Um,
124 to 129.
That's what I'm
consider
saying,
it
bro.
done, George.
Don't let Frankie
Frankie,
bully you.
No,
uh,
I
Just
said it
kidding.
for myself. I told myself I'd stay away from these kinds of
Price
stocks.
target this morning 135 to 150 from KeyBank.
On what? On MU?
Micron, yeah.
It looks strong for sure.
Yo, this is
Where's
how I
the
used
Addy?
to wake up when I was younger. Like I was like 16, 17. This is what MU used to do.
Wasn't MU like your stock back then? Isn't that what
Yeah,
started
it
it
was
all?
hilarious.
That's the one you took the earnings call on, huh?
Yeah.
Maddie's the one that's been playing it a lot lately.
He's been killing it on it.
That
Yeah.
stock is such a rotational stock though. It's like you'll be here for like a week and then or like maybe a month and then it's done.
Yeah.
It's cool when it's here.
Like
though.
that's how I feel like that's how most stocks are, besides our normal ones like Nvidia.
So what are you liking then, George and Noy?
If everything's
Um,
pulling back.
Meta looks good. But there's also a trend on that at the 30 minute that leads to 531.31. It just got rejected. Didn't you guys like Netflix?
Yeah, but it's yeah.
Yeah, it's just right
There's-
there.
there's trends on Netflix right at 640 as well.
Yeah, right before 640 actually. Apple's weak. But I'm good.
Amazon, I don't gotta worry about for now.
Yo, yeah, I had
Yeah.
that pulled up until like a second ago. It just dropped.
Problem with
No.
Meta is I was looking at the 530 level, not that 531.
Yeah, I liked same Frankie. I don't know if I'm interested.
George, I might have MU ready.
Yo, a bunch of people are saying they don't have sound
For who?
for the thing. Like 6 different people said they
Oh,
can't.
man.
The same thing was happening at the lesson, but they leave and rejoin. I think they're fine.
Are these all-time highs for MU?
Yeah.
Oh damn.
We don't have time to reset right now, so
Yeah, we actually don't.
Let's see here.
what'd you say, George? Sorry.
No, I was just wondering if this Nora answered. It is all-time highs for MU here.
Yeah. Same thing with Amazon. Amazon isn't all-time highs till 188.65, but regardless.
I like Amazon setup a lot.
Yeah. But I think that
How
was
did
gonna
you
have to
guys-
wait a little because I'm not. It's Amazon.
How'd you guys want to play MU like the 130 break?
Yeah. I'm sure that,
Like that.
is that how you would play it, George?
Yeah, I'm not sure here yet. I don't think so. I think I'm gonna wait for a hold, break and hold to see for the momentum afterwards. But the 130 is not a bad idea. But it's just I don't know this stock enough that actually want to see the price action first. And then when this moves, it moves like for like quite a bit.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But that's me personally. And see, that's too much of a straight push here.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I didn't take a
Netflix
position
is
on it
trying
yet.
as well.
Yeah, Netflix is the one getting close here.
Think I might switch to that.
I'm
$3
gonna
pop.
stay on Meta right now. MU is still the closest, if we're talking about closest.
Let me know. You planning
Yeah.
on taking it at 531?
I don't know yet. It just depends on the type of move we get at those levels.
I like how Netflix is holding Frankie.
I'm
was.
still on MU right now. NQ's red, wicking, and MU's just now starting to go red.
Look at Netflix.
But Netflix, yeah, I don't have time to switch to it, so that's all you guys. You can talk about it.
I think there's actually plenty of time on Netflix personally, but I'm not switching over, so it doesn't matter.
I don't even know what.
I'm gonna make the choice to stay on MU,
There's no volume there on the contracts yet, anyways.
even
Oh,
better.
nice pullback, nice pullback. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I didn't want to play that right there.
NQ's green candle. MU still has a red candle here, so starting to lose interest in this.
Kind of like what's going on here for now. I didn't really want to play anything that close to the open.
Amazon could still come back, but that's
It's
about it.
trying to right now, huh?
Yeah, Benji, I'm
Yeah.
teetering between that and MU right now.
Teetering, huh?
Teetering.
that fucked up Benji for a little bit.
Teetering.
I didn't want to say anything because we were trading, so
Yeah, shit.
it's still
Er,
it's
Mar-
still the open.
Maersk, whatever your name is, there was no signal. We actually mentioned that we were gonna wait a little bit on MU. Hopefully everybody listened on that and nobody got in.
By the way, guys, I'm live on Twitch, YouTube, all that good stuff right now. I'll send a link in a second. Things got the sell off, huh?
See what holds up here though.
Trying to get this on my story.
At the moment, I feel like it's Amazon kind of holding.
It's still
Yeah.
holding the best.
I'm
Yeah.
skipping.
Really?
I don't really like Amazon. I hate that stock, for matter of fact, but the setup is nice. I'm glad. I hope nobody took Netflix there. I was
Did
gonna
they
wait
get
for.
close enough to even take it?
Well, it got close to 639, so some like Herbs probably could have took that. Hopefully, they listen. We're waiting on 640 anyway.
SMCI, everybody's
It hit
saying-
639 on the ask, so I'm sure. I think I would have gone faked out if I had switched on it.
Nah, see, that was another one. I wanted to see a hold above.
All right, MU's gone. Amazon's still really the only close one, so I'll just have that ready unless you guys find something else.
Alright, got it all posted up. We're good to go.
Good to go.
Alright.
Sebastian, Apple downside did look weak this morning. I didn't feel like it was close enough to anything that I wanted yet. And it's still not. I personally don't like it just yet. What was that?
I heard
that a
that
cat?
too.
What
I don't know
happened?
what that was.
Wait, heard what?
Like a cat coughing or something.
Damn, bro, I hurt my shoulders. Damn, SMCI.
Meta's kind of holding here.
Yeah, Meta is what I'm gonna switch to probably, but SMCI getting cooked. It's literally going for that Friday low. Just don't even want to bother looking at how much those contracts are, honestly.
I was gonna say you're talking about it. I haven't even switched to it yet.
No, I'm not even bothering.
Then no.
There's not much going on though here.
The
Activity-wise.
900s are at if you really want to know,
How much?
1800.
That's actually
It's not
surprisingly not
terrible.
expensive.
It's expensive. It's just not terrible.
Well, I guess what we're used to on SMCI.
No,
Yeah,
I'm
no, I'm
okay.
good on that. Anyways. Alright. Feel good
Everything
about this.
pulled back, huh?
Leave it and joint again.
I think I like Meta if it comes back for that like 530 level, like the high on that opening candle lines up with 530. That
We're
doesn't look
so
bad.
far
but
away, Benji.
Yeah. The only thing I see pushing is like Tesla right now.
Nor
Uh,
I wish you were there when Elon said that they were lying. The
we
candle
had
flip
just walked away, no?
Yeah.
Yo, was
legit
that
walked
wild?
away. Yeah, it was a $7 pop, Benji,
Yo,
on one
meta,
candle.
meta. ASAP Rocky. Switching over.
I'm
What
switching over too.
contracts? I'm looking at the 540s.
Yeah, I think that's what I was looking at as well.
This is the strongest stock here, actually. Whoa. It's getting real strong, actually.
See how what it does here at opening price?
These are $5. Guys, I'm looking at the 540 calls on Meta. Are you playing 530?
I am, yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Oh my god.
I'm in these guys. Oh my
Oh,
god.
Lord, hello.
Wow.
I got this was one of my targets here at 60 cents, so I'm scaling out here.
Wow.
See what happens.
The trend is at 531.30, which we just touched, by the way.
I'm personally all out.
You're all out?
Yeah, I took the
Yeah.
scalp when we broke 531.
Yeah.
Nice.
For me, I mean, if I'm cool to talk about the trade, I know you're signaling, but it was just overextended for me, so I was just looking for the scalp at that point.
Makes
Nah,
sense.
that's good. Yeah, it makes sense.
Damn, your guys' contracts are better than mine. Fuck.
Which one did you play?
The 550s
Nice.
by like 10 to 20 cents, I think.
Oh man, my chart.
Phil's, if you scroll up, I sent them, Millie.
Look at that rejection, bro. That's nasty. Yeah, I am still in meta only because I took a half position. So what I'm gonna do is if we drop any lower here, I'm gonna get rid of it. If we do bounce, I will take another half at 529. Low of day is my stop, guys. Yo, they're still saying no sound.
I don't know what's up with that. I mean,
Huh?
I said I don't know what's up with that. We told them to reset their Discord or leave and join. I sent an announcement.
Yo, look at QQQ. Wow, meta from... Okay, wow. Low of day cracks by $2. That's wild. Yo, SMCI drops from 930 to 917.
I'm surprised Apple hasn't budged 168 yet. Whisker, I mean, the most common stop loss with like a guideline for stop loss is using a 10% stop loss with any of the signals. So
I lost
if you're comfortable-
17% on that.
there you go. if you're comfortable losing more than that and holding on pullback, then by all means do it. But the guideline, like for new people, a common 10% stop loss is usually the normal.
So with the full position, 17%. That's like 8.5% of a full position. My stop loss. Yeah, it's breaking uptrend, but I'm not. Actually, is it breaking uptrend? I did the watch list yesterday, but I think uptrend's at 903, if I'm not mistaken.
903 for what?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, SMCI.
Yeah, it hasn't broke yet. If anything, we're heading down to support. QQQ bouncing a little bit here. What trend is that? The trend on SMCI starts at 780. I'll send a screenshot. That's the trend on SMCI.
I'm probably gonna stay around 10 and then call it there probably since almost everything pulled back.
Yeah, same.
I think that's the first like real like rejection, not rejection. That's the first like actual like stop loss we've had in a while.
You don't think people had time to sell green?
Nah, plenty of time, but I had a half position, so it didn't make sense for me the reward to risk there.
Okay.
So like if I take a half, I'm looking for a bigger move where I can look to add. You know what I mean?
Right. Because once we broke 531, because I kept holding past 531. I was just hovering over my stop or my limit button, and I feel like in those few seconds I had a lot of time to sell. So, I think people in the chat had plenty of time to sell. If you took the loss, I mean, it's a loss. It is what it is. That happens to me too. It just depends what your profit target is on a stock like that. For something like Meta, it was breaking an all-time high, so I usually just look for scalps personally on those.
What was the percentage on Tesla like on Friday?
Which one? The second one or the first? I wasn't here for the first one.
You caught the
I think
second one?
Yeah, when the news dropped.
Yo. Just get the first, but caught the second. Damn, voice chat is still down.
Yeah, I think I caught like 150% on Tesla.
Oh yeah, that was wild.
That was insane, George. Bro, I honestly I wish you caught that with your real account.
Yeah, that would have been crazy, bro.
Or I guess not your real account, but your actual
Yeah,
account.
yeah. And instead of my mom's account, yeah.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be a scalp, and then I saw a moment. I was like, "Let me write this."
You just kept holding, bro. It just kept dropping by the dollar.
Yeah. I mean, I was scaling out like I usually do.
Mm-hmm.
But even with me scaling out, it was still like overall 150%.
Remember,
Maki
if
said
you're on the
Nvidia.
stream, it's a 5-minute delay.
Maki, do you like 870 on Nvidia, or it's just one of the levels that you have that it bounced off of?
I'm thinking about it,
Okay.
but it doesn't have much room on it. So 868. It's like a quick snap thing.
Some say Google
Yeah,
Hive
I
Day.
switched over. It
Yeah, I'm
actually
not
looks
interested in
good.
Google.
155. Put it on the 1 hour.
Oh yeah, it had a flat top at 155, but then it broke after hours from some AI collab news. But Google, I really like to trade at the open more than anything.
It's the level on Google that you look.
I personally liked 155, but it would, like I said, Google for me is more of an at open stock, like Netflix. So I mean, I personally don't like it.
At 155 is above the resistance. It's really good. So I don't know. I'm interested in that too. As long as it happens in the next half an hour, because Google
I'll be
uses
gone in a
gone.
half hour. Still flirting around that 154.50.
Do you like 870 for a scalp? Yeah, I do honestly, because it's ahead of the market.
Yeah, I had just switched over. These contracts are expensive.
On what?
Nvidia,
Nvidia?
it's weaker than the market here. We'll see how it bounces or reacts to 870, but
Google's still holding.
Where's Google?
The video.
Never mind, let me shut up.
Nvidia just broke by $1.
Almost $2 on the. It was 20 cents off from being $2. Pretty sick.
Yeah.
Those premiums move, Maki? Or do you
Yeah,
not
they're
trade that?
fine.
Okay.
Yo, they actually didn't really move. 850 puts were 840 when I looked at them.
What was the highest they went?
I mean,
It's a
right now it's
Monday, I was-
880.
It's a Monday though.
$9, so 60 cents. So right, it's like 7% on that drop.
We're trying to turn the candle green to red. If they do that, the stock is cooked, as Maki likes to say.
Finished. Meta keeps bouncing on us. I have a play on SPY, but it's gonna take time to set up. By like another 20 minutes.
Google. Trying to get up there.
$868 was a perfect target on Nvidia.
Market's finally trying to recover here. I'm looking at the 155 calls on Google. This is a slower mover. So I want to see the market. See, market's pulling back here. I need to see Google hold up here. Yo, MU. Wow. It's about to go red for the day.
After 33 cents on one at 155, 155.30 ish, 155.50 ish. This really got out of room.
How much is this up? 1.5%.
Yeah, after 155, that's what I'm looking at. See if we get any hesitation around that 50 cent to 70 cent.
I'm gonna use if I do enter Google, my stop loss is going to be 154.40. That's my stop. Not sure if I'm going to take this, but it looks good right now. Holding when the market drops. And it's just doing its thing here. I'm in these. 154.40 is my stop, guys. We're about to break 155 here. We just broke. It's a slow mover. Remember that.
Definitely want to see a candle close above 155 here though.
Yeah. It's not like a Tesla or Nvidia where the breakouts are going to be $1 break, but when it does grind higher, it grinds higher.
Okay, I'd like at least above 90 there. Kind of holding up while.
Market's pulling, yeah. So just keep an eye on the market and watch Meta here. I mean, I'll watch Google.
I like how it's holding, bro, but I don't know how much longer it can hold like this.
I'm going to hire my stop, guys, to 154.50. I'm going to continue to set trailing stops, higher trailing stops as we grind higher. How much volume was on there? 191,000. You had good volume there. First target is 155.12 and then 155.76. See if we can hold here. Market's pulling back. What's your stop, George?
60 cents. Depend anywhere from 60 to 55. 65 to 55. I want to see a hold above that. I don't think I'm gonna wait for 50.
Yeah, I think I'm with you on that.
Especially, okay, that's a good sign there, ish. Definitely want to see a close above 90 or 155 here.
We should get
On
it.
this
We
candle.
got to bounce in the market. It is a little behind, but it was doing its own thing before anyway, so we'll see. New stop, 154.60. Just updated it. This is entry right here.
I got in a little early, so I'm still green, 13%.
Bro, someone said you said your target is 155.40, so you're in puts, and then someone replied yes.
What? Was that 155.15, Maki? Yeah.
Yeah, about.
Okay, yeah.
If you have to be ready here, if Google gives up, then my stop is gonna hit. So 154.60. I might update it one more time here to 154.65. Depends what we do. All right, updating stop 154.65.
I like the close on that. No candle, still at 155. First
One-
time it touches it since it broke.
154.65 new stop. I'm gonna hire it again if we make a new high.
I think it's a 70 or 75.
75.
70. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that 75 cent area a lot.
Here we go. I might sell a third here. And get
What
to sell,
percent are
yeah.
y'all up right now?
I'm up
Like
15.
when it made a new high?
I'm up 15 right now.
You got him before me, George.
Yeah.
I'm not
Yeah.
in with you, I'm just watching.
All right, looking like I'm gonna. Yeah, there we go. That's what you want to see.
Ooh,
That's a good
yes.
candle. All right, hiring my
Look, it
stop to
closed above
154.75. New
That's
stop
the first
154.75.
That's the first close above, so we'll see.
Yeah.
It's 10 a.m. finally.
There's no news or anything today, so y'all are good.
I like news.
It's all like Wednesday and Thursday this week.
I think my next. You said what was your first target? 12 cents, right?
Yeah, 154, 155.12, and then 155.70 area.
Gold will look. It can look good all it wants, but it's still gonna need some help here.
Look at this pullback.
It's trying to retest that pillow like broke.
I'm still in here.
Wow, what was your target, George?
My next target was 20. After that, anywhere if there was any hesitation from 23 cents. So like I'll gauge it from there. After 23 is that level Maki had 50 cents. Perfect bounce, bro. Perfect bounce. Wow.
Look at the market when it dropped.
And it's getting bought up even at this point. But like I said, I don't know. I still don't like what the market is doing.
Market's pulling back.
Yeah, I'm still up 10% here. Hopefully we get a bounce here on the market. Really don't want to be in this trade too much longer.
Are you guys keeping the same stop at that like 70 cent area?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Candle close.
I like how that ass popped there.
Power of
go.
slow moving stocks.
Whisker, yes. See this. Hopefully we bounce here.
Is there a trend or anything?
Nah, I don't see it. No, we broke the 15-minute overnight. Nothing on the hourly.
Yeah, I'm giving this like another 2 minutes or I'm just gonna get out. It's taking a little too long for me. A little too
Yeah.
long.
Normally I don't mind these trades that last a little bit, but after a meta, like I want this to be a little bit quicker here. Still looks good though. I mean,
Did you take a loss on Meta, George?
yeah, yeah, not bad though. Only lost 300.
I took a loss on it too, But I caught freaking SMCI at 920, like that
Nice.
bear flag.
Yeah, 155 is nasty, like big time. They're
Yeah,
still
it's a
trying to
huge
debate.
level.
They're still trying to debate if they want this or not. Got an ES pop here.
Ooh,
Nothing yet on Google. It's just doing its own thing. I might raise my stop here, Nor.
Yeah.
I don't see any trends for you guys to like really worry about.
That thing is, it's just being that it's taking too long. It can only hold up for so
Yeah.
long.
I think I'm just gonna sell here. Let you know if I pull the trigger.
Let you know as well.
Hmm.
The like where it's getting bought up.
This is break even basically, but it's just the fact that in it for a little too long and the market's dropping. So if the market gets a little bit too aggressive here, it's just not worth it.
Yeah, I think I'm cutting here.
Yeah, I cut. Because if the market drops here, power candle, you'll have Google pull back. It'll still be strong, and then it'll just take too long to come back to that 155.
I think that was a good stop we had right there.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Cause look now, ES is kind of trying to, and Google's not.
Yeah, Google's like holding up. It's the fact that I'm gonna have to deal with it trying to come back to 155. It's not even worth it.
No.
With slow movers like these stocks, you could pretty much get out break even. So like if you're a beginner and looking to like trade slower stocks, Apple is one, Google is one, MU used to be one. What else is one? Amazon maybe? Nah, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see how Amazon is today, actually. Yeah, Amazon's one too. All right, stream. Thursday, Friday, green days. Monday, starting off with a red start to my week. It is what it is. I was a little late on the entry to Meta, but only took a half position, so it was a positive. Ended up losing 17% on that position, and then Google pretty much break even on that loss there. So it is what it is. SMCI, maybe I could have caught that, but it's okay. We gotta start a streak again. It was a 14-day streak, and then Wednesday I messed it up. Thursday, Friday we came back, so it was 2 days. Now Monday we're starting off red. But we'll be back tomorrow, same time every single day at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, obviously 5-minute delay. And then if you want, join the Discord for free. Every Wednesday it is free. I'll see you guys. Peace.